People often tell me that they are so busy, how can they bring more healthful living into their lifestyle? And my answer to that, my friends, is nobody is too busy to do anything. It's just that we have not made it a priority yet. So what I would like you to do is examine if you really want to walk on the health path, if you really want to take on that journey. And if the answer is yes, I would like you to write down what are the ways currently that are diametrically opposed to your intention for healthy living. What are your present habits in your lifestyle that are not healthy? So for example, it could be a habit of taking tea or coffee that you want to reduce, or it could be you want to reduce your addiction to junk food or sugar. Whatever it might be, just pick your thing. It could even be that you want to exercise more. Just pick your thing, whatever it is, and make that your number one priority. What I did when I was faced with a similar problem is I made it my number one priority, so much so that I put it ahead of God. I was a meditator and I really wanted to work on my own growth, and I said, no matter what, I will exercise every day, even if I don't get time to meditate. So my invitation to you is make your health habit that you want to change your number one priority above all else, and just stick to it every single day. You can choose something really small, but make sure you stick to it every single day. When you give it that prominence in your life, when you give it that priority, you will easily find the time, no matter how busy you are.